I could not find a football to test to test my hypothesis.
I think this is ready, huh?
Yeah, we're good. You got nowhere near enough height to take the wheel off, man.
Really?
Yeah, you got to be able to put that one back on. You got to jack this thing up at least twice as much.
Which way was I going? Was I going this way or was I going that way? Is that going down or up?
That is going down. Yeah, it's the other way. Yeah. Righty tighty, Dave. Nice grunting noises.
Shut up. This is hard.
Look at that. It looks like a fucking alien leg. It does not look like a jack.
That's how it's supposed to look, man.
It's a goddamn prawn leg.
It's German, dude.
Oh, good point. Good point. Oh my god, this car's gonna fucking fall on me. I don't think I'm safe to be here. I'm moving to the other side.
It's gotta be ready now, right?
Hold on. Coming around. Dave picked the hottest day of the year to get a flat tire. Very, very awesome. Is it high enough? No, it's not high enough. No, it's gotta. You gotta be able to slide this tire onto that fucking thing. It needs to go higher. Nah, you need more clearance than that.
Is it going up higher? Is it going up higher?
Yeah, it is.
It's going up higher. It just doesn't look like it's going up higher.
No, it definitely is.
How much more do I need?
Well, you can take the tire off now, so go ahead and do that.
No, fuck that. What if it falls?
What if what falls? Somebody's getting paranoid about the fucking alien leg jack. Alright, on to part 3. Laters!